Imagine a planet where it literally rains diamonds. Yes. Scientists discovered that on Neptune and Uranus, lightning storms turn carbon into diamond rain. Diamonds form because the immense pressure inside these planets crushes carbon into precious gems. These diamond rains could be thousands of tons, falling every single year. And on Neptune, winds blow at 2,100 kilometers per hour, faster than any hurricane on Earth. So, the next time you think diamonds are rare, remember, some planets shower them daily. Follow WH Axis for science facts that bend reality.